Certified AI hater here to talk about my favorite new generative AI feature coming out of Config here with the new Figma UI. So what we've got in front of us right now is one of my very early student projects, which involved a catalog of native plants to the Pacific Northwest. In the frame itself, you can see that there is a list of plants. We've got their generic and then scientific names. And if you isolate that list, you'll see that as you scroll, I stopped naming them. It just has some placeholder text and a reminder to myself that scientific names can be very long. Now, I populated this list by hand when I made this. I had a gardening book open in front of me and just picked plants that I thought were nice, which is certainly a way that you can do these things. But with Figma's new generative AI, there's actually a very quick and fun way to populate a list like this. So I've taken out two cards. I've removed the images and left just a placeholder here because it's going to get annoying if we have got images. But these are in an auto layout together, and you'll see that now we have this little drag UI here. And on hover, you see duplicate with new content. So if I go ahead and drag this down and add 3 more cards, already amazing, it's going to start populating them based on what already existed. So we're going to see a couple different plants come in, as well as accurate scientific names for them. Now I can actually go down here and hit make changes because my app was for plants native to the Pacific Northwest. So I can just say populate only with plants native to the Pacific Northwest. And here we go, the Oregon grape, Pacific bleeding heart, and salal. It is very fun to do this, and a quick and easy way to get rid of that placeholder text.